This video is a story about how I escaped my life of being in debt for over a decade and my strategy to help you attain the knowledge to achieve financial freedom. If you are someone living salary to salary, this video is for you. I grew up in India hearing things like stable job, payday, be a yes man, unnecessary risk, loans. I am 35 years old today and I have been trained in becoming a loyal employee since birth. I was taught how to earn money, but not how to make money. No one taught me how to be financially responsible. My expenses always seemed to be more than my income. I kept piling on debt and I did not know who to talk to thanks to the social taboo. I lived salary to salary month after month, year after year. It was not that I was sad or depressed. I was enjoying my life, but without money. I was becoming comfortable with not having money by the end of the month. Justifying it by saying, I have friends with me, I'm happy living my life, what else do I need? I completely ignored the times when the same friends planned weekend outings and I would say no because I was broke. I don't know how many weekends I have spent at home playing computer games so that I don't have to tell my friends that I don't have money. At work, I was a well-respected senior designer who worked hard each day to ensure an A grade to get 100% of the bonus that was part of my annual salary anyway. I was known in my department as someone who just could not save money. Tired of the lifestyle, in 2018 I moved to Hong Kong to do masters with the hope of earning more after getting a degree. As expected, I earned 10 times more as compared to in India. But as usual, I was still living salary to salary and I blamed it on the city for being so expensive. Finally, in 2021, I had enough and I decided I'll educate myself and through online classes, books, videos, and there's so much on the internet, it made my life that much more difficult to start the journey. But I still applied these rules. Step 1, I opened 2 new bank accounts. One for my existing salary, one for savings, and one for everyday expenses. Step 2 was I micro-categorized and calculated every single expense I made in the last 6 months. And guess what I found? I spent almost 40% of my earnings eating meals outside, usually alone. 20% hanging out with friends and 25% rent. The remaining ones goes for my everyday expenses like travel. Step 3 was I started cooking more often and in bulk. Now I suddenly have 30% more money left with me. Step 4, I cut the budget for eating out and hanging out with friends and transferred 50% of my income straight to the savings account. Step 5 was I made myself get used to spending less. Step 6 was I moved in with my now wife and reduced my rent cost. Step 7, I started my financial education journey seriously. Step 8, I started investment journey with stocks to beat inflation. Step 9, I started a new revenue stream which can compound my income, which is this YouTube channel. A year of effort to produce regular good content will create compounding income stream that will generate money even while I sleep. Leave a like on this video if you think this is a good idea. I know there are many more things that must be done, and this is just the beginning. Here is my plan for this channel. I want this channel to become an educational channel where people like us can find content that can teach them how to use money as a tool to create more money and build their future in their own way. I will talk about financial independence, assets, liabilities, investments in equity, commodities, bonds, real estate, and news that affect the economy. I will also talk about how to start businesses, how to run sustainable businesses, scalable business ideas, and much more. In short, it will help you become wealthy and not rich. Let me know what topics you are interested in the comment section below. And subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about financial independence. I'm Anubhav, and this is Reboot.